time for fun, food, and fireworks. Sprunkis at the entrance.
Make sure they're not cross-eyed like Roxy's.
A little bit. Man, that with the chocolate shake is like the ultimate combination.
Oh, yeah.
This is July 4th to me.
Hi, Pinky.
They're starting.
Oh, look out! Here comes the oldest sprunki.
Oh my gosh.
I don't like it when they have like both of them going on at the same time. You're like,
I don't even know where to go.
Welcome to Make the Day.
He's holding his head all around. That's funny.
Your fireworks.
Yeah, just a lot. Just a lot.
But I like your fireworks. You're my daddy.
I love you, buddy. Get over here. Oh!
Was that you?
So guys, I was
Silent fireworks.
Oh my God! It's filling with fireworks. From the down, some beautiful fireworks. My queen is down the street. Click the bell. So some more fireworks. You can collect 15 rounds of fireworks. What the hell? Yes, stop the fireworks from the fountain. I love fireworks. Fireworks. I love fireworks. I love fireworks. Oh my God, the kid is taking over. Dancing, and all of us are fireworks. Oh, good job. Mommy, I'm ready. I'm ready.